Alright, you ready? Come on then. Here we go. Let's go this side. Let's go this side. How about a bit of a plough? A bit of a plough now. That's it. A bit of a turn. Turn that way, turn the other way. Who's that there? Mr. Speed up the mountain skier. Go on then. Give us a bit of a turn. Try pushing more on one. Push more on one and then on the other. There you are, see? And then try the other side. That's it, beautiful. Right, we're near the bottom now again. That's it. Go on, let go of me, see how you get on. Let go. I got you, I've still got you, I've still got you. Come on then. That's it.